Run back, turbo.
Crazy love. Hey, I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you lie. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me. You can't.
Welcome and welcome back, guys. It's your girl. Y'all already know it's D to the Y to the M to the O to the N to the D. And if you don't know, go ahead and subscribe to me, because your girl gonna be coming back or whatever. I know I've been gone a few days, but I had a little changeover, So y'all, I've been trying to be outside. I already told y'all that. If y'all ain't seen it, then go look at the other videos or whatever, and make sure y'all give these videos a big like up. I mean, a big thumbs up. I mean, a big likes up. Whatever one you want to call it, give it that. So basically, y'all, I was cute last night. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. Okay. So I was cute, y'all. I can get cute. When I be on here, y'all, I mainly be at work all the time, or I'm always doing something or whatever productive, trying to make a way out of no way, because in these streets, baby, like I tell everybody, you sit down and talk to Cost of Living, baby, because Cost of Living, she is not playing. But yeah, so today I'm gonna give y'all some I want y'all to help me, or I'm just giving y'all some little business ideas or whatever, and making my business idea in my book. So everybody know that next month is February, so I don't want to put my ideas out there, y'all. As y'all know, my website is up, and I'm gonna put the link in the description down below or whatever, and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. So y'all go support your girl, go shop. Very affordable, luxury on the budget. Okay, just like they be having bougie on the budget, but baby, luxury on the budget. You heard me. So y'all, guess what? My grandbaby is about to turn 1 year old on the 28th, y'all. I'm so proud, y'all. Him got his first haircut. Y'all. Look at him. Ain't him so cute? Him Gigi Snooker. Yes, it is. But, okay, y'all, I look like an African today. But that's okay, though. That's all right. They cute or whatever. But yeah, so I done got in my mode in 2023. So I done started sitting back, planning my ideas, putting ideas together, and making some things shake. Okay. So February coming up. Y'all already know February coming up. Y'all already know it's Valentine's Day in February. So right now, what I'm doing is basically, I haven't even started, y'all. Look, I started here, and then I just started thinking of other things. So right now, I'm basically writing down my February V-Day ideas of what I need to get for to put on my website for February. Like I said, luxury on a budget, so everything is just gonna be luxury, pretty, bougie, on a budget, whatever. I ain't gonna tell y'all my ideas, but what I want y'all to do is go ahead and go visit my website, and subscribe to the website and tell me what y'all think or whatever. And if y'all know some people that do real good websites, then make sure you leave them in the comments. And baby, let me tell you, everybody prices is not for me. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they reasonable, very reasonable at the moment. And only reason why I say reasonable is because I ran into a girl, and don't get me wrong, she do good websites or whatever, but not as how my ideal website that I want. Like, I don't mind paying 300, 250. You know, I don't mind paying that. But when you get to saying, when my website is already up and I already didn't put, you know, I already didn't put it, you know, put half of my stuff on there, and you want to charge me $600, $700, $800 just to rearrange my web. We got another problem. I ain't paying no $600, $700, $800. That's $800 products. Like, no ma'am. So yeah, when it come down to stuff like that, it's just like, dang. I mean, but you gotta get it how you live. You can't knock nobody hustle. And yeah, sis, don't ever change your prices. But I'll be back to you later. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm trying to get a bag too. So yeah, I'll be back to you later. Don't ever change your prices. I always keep your prices the same. You know what I'm saying? Because if I don't buy, guess what? Somebody else gonna buy. But yeah, so now we getting these making ideas. Y'all, this is what I learned. I started my first business. It was called Queen's Reaction up in 2019. And when I first started that business, I was selling like ethical, you know, because that was hot. It was lit at the time. I was selling ethical, 2-piece sets, men ethical boxers, you know what I'm saying? I was selling the LV headbands, do-rags, and stuff in that nature, and it was popping, you know what I'm saying? But what I messed up at, y'all, and this is a do's and don'ts. So when you start a business, let me just tell you this. When you start a business, when you sell out, make sure that when you get down on your inventory, you always restock your products. When 2019, when I had first started my business, I never restocked my products. Like, I only restocked my products like 3-4 times to reach a certain goal. And then when I had did that, y'all, it was just like I was splurging money. I was gone. I was doing stuff. I always constantly doing stuff with, you know, supposed to be friends, you know, just big doing it, you know. But that was my fuck up. That's why I messed up it. So what have I learned over the years? So that's a don't do. So what have I learned over the years is that every time, because now it's hard to gain my clientele back, because I had went a year and a half, 2 years without, you know, having products, had to come back, work a 9 to 5 and all kind of stuff. So yeah, that is crazy, because I always put, I don't want to work on nobody. I don't want to do this. Because me personally, first of all, my attitude bad. It's bad to a certain extent when somebody's telling me what to do, how to do it, when to go to break, when to go to do this, and when to go. I got to sit somewhere and, you know what I'm saying, and wait till somebody, you know, come get me to go use the restroom. Like, I don't like that. And the only reason why I'm saying this is because I've been saying this same thing for years. I've been saying this exact same thing for years, and I'm just like, God, please just lead me down the right path. You know what I'm saying? Take these people supposed to be friends, or, you know, anybody out of my life, because at the end of the day, they lead me down the wrong path instead of telling me, go ahead, friend, you need to, you know, get your products for your business. You need to do this. You need to, like, encouragement, basically. You know what I'm saying? Even some people really don't even need the encouragement. You know what I'm saying? You can encourage your own self. And that's another thing that I had to learn to do, to encourage and motivate my own self. Put my goals where it needs to be. You know what I'm saying? I write all my goals down, y'all. Like, this book is so full of, I write prayers. These prayers all the time. I'm writing prayers down or whatever. and you see it say amen at the bottom or whatever. It's just like all this, like I'm just constantly writing everything down, and this is like a day-to-day thing for me. And then not only that, when it comes down to my goals, like these are my goals. Like it's a 300 things to accomplish in 2023, or whenever I want to accomplish them, and I just scratch it off as I go. So, and this is page 1 through 23, and page 24 through 42. And then I got 43 through 66, 67 through 89, 90 through 107, because I haven't went all the way to 114. 114 is down here or whatever. So I'm still writing on my 300 things I want to accomplish in 2023, or whenever God say is, for me to accomplish, those goals. So always write down your goals, read over your goals, manifest your goals, pray over it, and put it in God's hand. Don't worry about it, don't stress out about it, and just let it go, just let it go. So that's what I had to do, and I know I had to start little and just work my way back up, basically. So this is how I've been basically starting. I get on TikTok. I don't get on Instagram much or whatever, because, Instagram been going for a pretty big long time, and people, that already had business, even though I already had business too, and I feel like I got a pretty little nice follower on Instagram, but it's the principle that you got to constantly promote. Use hashtags on Instagram, and do extra, just to be like a content creator and all this other type of stuff. And me personally, it's just like, okay, I'm kind of overwhelmed with, gotta post on every social media and do this. I know you have to get that content out, but if you got the time of the day or whatever, that's what you have to do. You have to promote on Instagram, you got to promote on TikTok, promote on Facebook, promote on YouTube, promote on every single social media that you have to do. You have to promote on in order to get your clientele up and get people to come, strata towards you, which is cool. Me personally, I'm a single mother, single GG, or whatever, and I work a 9 to 5, and then trying to maneuver around paying out my bills, and making sure that my household is stable and comfortable or whatever. So it's just like it's an S amount of things that I am able to do, which is cool, and saving is good too. Okay, but this is what I have learned over the years to get back on track. I always plan my ideals a month ahead. I always plan my sales a month ahead. Like right now, I'm putting my Valentine's ideals together or whatever for February. Yes, of course, it's only January the 16th, 2023. But you have to be creative. Like, you don't want to be like everybody else and do the same thing everybody else doing. And matter of fact, what's her name? Bougie Barbie. I think that's Bougie Barbie. Yeah, I heard her. I watched one of her videos the other day. It just popped up on my FYP page or whatever. And she was, and I was like, dang, you ain't never lie. Like, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to be like nobody. Like, be creative. Like, do what you need to do. Like, think of some ideas. Like, especially if it's your passion. You know what I'm saying? I give her all credit for that, because she doing her thing. That's my girl. Or whatever. But if it's your passion, do what's best for you. If you think that, damn, that's not gonna look right, or they ain't gonna buy it, stop always doubting yourself, because if you doubt yourself, then you doubting your business, you down your motivation, your goals. You just putting yourself last. Like, you gotta put yourself first, for real. Put yourself first, for real, because you never know what you don't like. Your customers and them strangers, they definitely gonna like. And I had to learn that the hard way. Everything that you like, it's a lot of different people. When God made us, he made every last one of us different. So what you like, everybody else probably don't like what you like. And the stuff that you don't like, People love it. I'm for real. Them people love weird stuff. They love different kind of stuff. People dress all kind of different ways. Nobody on this earth really dressed alike unless you just want to be twins in them. So, yeah, that's basically what I want to come out here and say. Like, I always plan your ideas for your business ahead of time. Be very creative and just put yourself out there regardless. It don't matter if you get this many likes or you don't get none at all. Keep going and never give up. Keep going and never give up. And then a big good platform is to go live. Go live on, I hate y'all. I hate it. I ain't gonna lie. I hate going live. I can't stand going live because folk be talking to you. You don't even know these people. But they like, I went live on TikTok. And when I tell you, I went live on TikTok and them people, you know what I'm saying, they was so sweet. Like, you should go live more often. Oh, you pretty. Oh, I'm for the bar right now. This and that and that. Where is your what they said, where's your basically my button to put off into so they can go to my website or whatever. Where's my link? That's what they kept on saying. Where your link? Or whatever. So I was basically looking at my products and stuff, and I was looking up at the dang on comments like dang. But what I got out of it, even though it was like 6 to 7 people on there, I got 5 sales. 5 sales just because I went live. Very first time ever going live. So my thing, and I see a whole bunch of people going on live on TikTok. So TikTok is a big platform to really go live on. Cause if you promote your stuff and they see that stuff and they like it, they gonna hit that link, and baby, when I tell you they gonna buy it. These people don't know you from Adam and Eve, but they gonna buy your stuff. But yeah, so I hope y'all like my new intro. Your girl done changed some stuff up. Hope y'all like y'all. If y'all like my new intro, make sure y'all give it a big like sub. Y'all stop being a hater. For real. Stop being a hater. And I ain't saying you hate on me. I'm just saying you being a hater because you need to like my stuff. Like, run them like sub. Make sure y'all subscribe. I mean, it's 2023. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'm about to go. I'm about to hit up out of here, y'all. I love y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video on the do's and don'ts. And the biggest platform to really promote your stuff on. Y'all have a wonderful day. Y'all see it's Martin Luther King Day, you know. Yeah, have a wonderful day. And I am out of this thing.